नो मोर इन्डियन कलेक्टर्स. मलाई त कुनै इन्डियन कार कलेक्टर्स नेपालमा आएर गाडी खोज्यो भने म चाहिँ आई एम गोइङ टु सक देम. My name is Prem. मलाई Jimmy पनि भन्छ. They call me Jimmy. So basically, I'm one of the people that value classic cars better because they are made better than the new ones. So I'm standing in front of the two W123s. W123s, which is considered the best car in the world. So Mercedes, when Mercedes-Benz was in a loss, new model आएपछि Mercedes profit मा गयो. So we have here one of the finest examples. नेपाल छोडिदिउँ. वर्ल्ड को फाइनेस्ट एक्जाम्पल यही छ. भर्खर 34,000 किलोमिटर पुगेको 34,000. So I've been at an automobile auction in Texas. Similar one went for around $105,000 US. So मेरो भनाइ चाहिँ के छ भने अब मसँग नयाँ गाडी पनि छ, पुरानो गाडी पनि छ. पुरानो गाडी they are made better. They are made much better. And they are safer. अब अहिलेको नयाँ गाडीहरू क्र्यासमा पर्यो भने चान्सेस अफ सर्भाइभल इज भेरी भेरी थिन. सो अहिलेको हाम्रो गभर्मेन्टको पोलिसिजले गर्दाखेरि मात्रै पिपल आर नट encouraged to keep their classics, but slowly it's changing. Taxes तिरेर भयो भने, for instance, अब हेर्नुस् न, I like the fact such an old car, but still he's got the yellow white plate. That means all taxes are paid. Yes. And this is a proud moment. किनभने सरकारले त्यस्तो worst environment दिएर पनि here is somebody who is proud of his car and he's paying his taxes. So this is हामीलाई चाहिँ it's very cool. हामीलाई चाहिँ नयाँ गाडी भन्दा पनि पुरानो गाडी राम्रोसँग चलायो भने चाहिँ that's cool for us. So me as an enthusiast, why I think classic cars should be on the road is it creates also jobs for people. Every month we are having rallies. That means everybody will put their car in the proper order. राम्रोसँग बनाएर सो गराज जानु पर्यो. बिग्रेको छ भने गराजमा बनाऊ. सो इम्प्लोइमेन्ट क्रिएसन भनेको द्याट्स गुड. किनभने पुरानो मेकानिक्सहरूले दे आर लुजिङ देयर जब्स. सो दिस इज अ गुड एक्जाम्पल. अल दिस कार्स हियर, दिस इज अ लिटल डिफरेन्ट. दिस इज एकदमै क्लासिक हो. यो चाहिँ everyday गाडी हैन यो. This is once in a while. These are everyday cars. I want to see these cars. These can be used every day. यो भयो. So यो Land Cruiser भयो हैन. यो MR2 भयो. यो नयाँ गाडी भन्दा कम छैन. So that is what I want to see. So job creation को लागि हो, safety को लागि हो, value for money हैन. And also it's cool factor. I find this car very cool because it's a nearly 40-year-old car, but top condition with white plates. Whenever taxes, you are practical car. This is also a modern classic. If it's run properly, you can be proud of this car. This is the best Corolla. So I'm a fan of this car. Because it can be used. When I owned this car, I used it even to go to Sikkim. Right? So this is also one of the finest cars. These are definitely classics. You can use it daily. But at the same time, it's a once in a while. This is a rare car for Nepal. S model W126, right? W126. US now you get it for $2,000, but yeah, rare. So this gentleman, if he wants to sell it, he can ask for any amount of money because it's so rare. Yeah, Nepal not. Another example is Daihatsu, rock solid reliability. So anybody, this is everybody wants to take photograph in front of this because but this is impractical. This is once in a while चलाउने हो हैन, but it's beautiful. Everybody wants to take pictures. So that is what I have to say.
हजुर
I have to say. अरु चाहिँ के कुरा थियो? And another important thing is I am one of those groups. सबैजनाले हामीलाई agree गर्दैन होला. We are wanting the government to give us special plates. यो कुरा important. This is very important. We want to use our cars only on holidays. त्यसको लागि स्पेशल प्लेट्स दिनुस्. अरु दिनमा हामी नचलाउने. त्यसको लागि हामीलाई ट्याक्स कन्सेसन गर्नुस् हैन. अब some people have put the yellow plate or white plate अहिलेको नयाँ. They want to use it every day. But for instance, this is my car here. I don't want to use it daily, but I want to use it in the holidays. हैन. So त्यसको लागि स्पेशल प्लेट्स दिने. स्पेशल प्लेट्स दियो भने चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ पुलिसहरुले पनि देखोस् कि यो छुट्टीको दिनमा मात्रै चलाउने गाडी हो भनेर अनि हामीलाई ट्याक्स कन्सेसन. And another important thing is many of us have not paid our taxes. Okay?
हजुर
सरकारले चाहिँ त्यो जरिवानाहरू all those penaltiesहरू if they cut those penalties we are willing to pay. Now I am waiting for the government to say okay, no more taxes, no more penalties. You pay it one lump sum and we have already sent a letter to the government also. So हामीले त्यो पनि we are doing that. That is important thing. So lots of government should realize very important. All these cars are moving art.
Yes.
They are not just cars. They are moving art. They should be like treasures. हैन गभर्नमेन्टले चाहिँ पुरानो गाडी हामीले पोल्युसन गर्दैन, प्रदूषण गर्दैन. You know why? Because हामीले चलाउँदैन यो गाडी. अब गभर्नमेन्ट भेहिकल चाहिँ छुट्टीको बेलामा चलाउनु पाइँदैन भने हामीले छुट्टीको बेलामा चलाउनु पोल्युसन त हुँदैन. वर्षमा हामीले यो गाडीहरू 500 किलोमिटर पनि चलाउँदैन हैन. सो हामीले प्रदूषण गर्ने कुरै छैन. सो यो चाहिँ हामीले गभर्नमेन्टसँग लबी गरिरहेछौँ. And another thing is also this is an event. Everybody is a very good entertainment, clean entertainment. आफ्नो क्लासिक कार्सहरू लिएर आउने, पलिस गरेर लिएर आउने, प्राइजेसहरू अब अक्टोबर 9th मा अर्को एउटा र्याली छ. There are 40 prizes to be won. Okay, there are 40 prizes to be won, and of course, this will win the prize for many things. We are not only considering this is a beautiful art. This is a beautiful art. We have so many different varieties of prizes. Jama 40 वटा छ. So October 9th मा अर्को र्याली हुँदैछ हैन. So it's a good clean fun के हैन. हाम्रो काठमाडौँमा सोशल नेटवर्क अब साथीभाइहरू हामीले नभेटेको थियो. So that's a unique cars. So I think finally अब गभर्नमेन्टले पनि रियलाइज गर्नु पर्यो. अनि अर्को कुरा यो जो ओनर्सहरू छ उनीहरूले मेरो थोत्रे गाडी हो अब म स्क्रैप गर्छु भन्ने पनि सोचाइ हटाउनु पर्यो. बिकज all these cars are valued. यो गाडी हेर्दा थोत्रे छ है. अस्ट्रेलियामा 20,000 अस्ट्रेलियन डलर्समा जान्छ यो गाडी हैन. सो हेर्दाखेरि बट इट्स अ डेली ड्राइभ. This can be used every day. This can be used every day. And it goes for a lot of money. This is a VW type minibus. World my following. Nepali. I know this guy. I know this car was rotting. This car was rotting in a garage, and finally this guy realized that it's worth repairing. Okay, so this guy was not just happy overhauling the engine. He imported a brand new engine from Germany. That's what that is passion. And the sound, even the Germans will be wow. Even the European VW enthusiasts, so your gari ko sound sunyo bhane they'll be impressed.
You guys are oh my god. I think
So yeah, all these VWs are here. The Thing, 1971 the Thing. This car I've driven, it is so rock solid on the highway. This is a touring car. यो गाडी हातमा पल्टाउनु सक्दैन. It is one of the most stable cars. Right? So I am encouraging the present owner to use this car more often. touring car हो थिङ भन्छ है नामै थिङ you know about this. So these are all some of these cars were about to be scrapped and then we encouraged people to get it back again. But I hear he crushed his VW and he's been all over Nepal. And this is a touring car. It's actually a long distance people's car. Long distance नै जानलाई यो काठमाडौँमा यो गाडी खुसी छैन यो rear engine भएको हुनाले air cool भएको हुनाले काठमाडौँको ट्राफिकमा it's not happy. You'll agree a bit, but on the highway it's on the highway ko lagi it's perfect. Too bad that I don't have much time to do it. And पहिला 10 years ago these cars 10-15 years ago you could get it for around 1 lakh. Now tell me the prices of these cars.
It's $30,000 most probably.
अहिले minimum पनि 10 lakh.
हजुर
Somebody wants to sell. So value is increasing. And it is पहिला अब I sold my VW for 1 lakh because I didn't understand the value त्यति बेला. 15 years ago I sold it. अहिले चाहिँ I think some of the vehicles will never be sold. The attachments are emotional attachments. Another prime example is the white plate. 50-year-old car, taxes, taxes around maybe 70,000 rupees. But he's got a white plate, means he's up to date. अहिले मान्छेहरु नयाँ नयाँ गाडीको त ट्याक्स तिर्दैन पुरानो गाडीको per year 70,000
$48,000.
sorry 48,000 but that's a lot of money. So this is also a cool factor. Now this is cool. अब हामीले classic car society मा those who starts having white plates now then they are up to date, right? So this is cool factor हैन त्यो छ. अब I'm not saying that यो रातो प्लेट वालाहरु चाहिँ they have not paid taxes भनेको चाहिँ I am not saying that, maybe they have. So that's cool factor. अब हेर्नुस् he probably pays the Mustang. Let's see the Mustang. This is one of the coolest classic cars in the US, okay? And we have it in Nepal. You have to forget you have to remember, right? We are in Nepal. Very difficult country to live in. Government policies are ठीक छैन हैन? And this is here. So I mean it's my property. I mean I know it belongs to my friend Raj. But it's our property. Our Nepalese property. And the cool factor is he's paid his taxes. And nobody can touch him. हैन? अनि गभर्नमेन्टले अब चाहिँ 20 वर्ष भन्दा पुरानो गाडी चलाउनु पाउँदैन भने मात्रै अब टेन्सन छ हामीलाई. तर we are paying our taxes. These cool factors. Cool factor. Americans would kill for this. अब हामी नेपालमा छौँ. So this is like 10 times more beautiful than what is about. You will see many Mustangs 1963 go. Right? So this is it. Cool factor there is. And at one time these cars were decaying. Okay? At one time these cars were decaying and अर्को कुरा एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा हामी नेपालीजहरूले क्लासिक कारको भ्याल्यु नबुझेर कति कवाड गर्यो. And so many Indian collectors from Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta exploited us. And they bought these cars for scrap and took it there. हाम्रो नेपालको सयौं हजारौंवटा गाडी चाहिँ इन्डियामा छ अहिले. You know why? Because we Nepalese didn't value them. Now that is changing. Because people like Raj Shah, I know, people like brother Raj Shah, he spent a fortune doing this. It's not cheap. एउटा गाडीमै खर्च गराछ. एउटा गाडीमा मिनिमम 50-60 लाख भन्दा घटीमा छैन. So he has, of course, he has the passion and also he has the finances. So त्यस्तो मान्छे हुनु पर्यो. And there are many cars like that in Kathmandu hidden away. That has to come out. है त्यो कुरा बुझ्नुस् हैन. अनि I cry because so many cars को भ्यालु नबुझेर कभरमा काटेर फाल्दैछ के हैन. अनि that has to change now हैन. I'm repeating what I said. No more Indian collectors. मलाई त कुनै इन्डियन कार कलेक्टर्स नेपालमा आएर गाडी खोज्यो भने म चाहिँ I'm going to suck them. I'm going to हिर्काइदिन्छु. I'm going to say go away. Because उनीहरूले त hundreds of cars त्यसरी लगाएको छ हैन. अनि दिल्लीमा छ मैंने नेपाल से लाया फर चिप भनेर पनि घमण्ड गर्छ सो दोज ह्याभ टु चेन्ज हैन सो वी ह्याभ टु भ्याल्यू अनि ड्राइभिङ अ गुड कन्डिसन्ड ओल्ड कार इज नथिङ रङ बिकज इट्स सेफ अल्सो अहिलेको नयाँ गाडीहरूमा एक्सिडेन्ट पऱ्यो भने चान्सेस अफ सर्भाइभल इज भेरी लिटल है अघि रिपिट हो कुरा होइन तपाईँले हेर्नुहोस् चान्सेस अफ आई फिल सेफ वेन आइम इन माई I have got Mercedes also, which I think I feel safer. म long distance जाँदाखेरि म मेरो पुरानै गाडी लान्छु अनि अर्को कुरा नेपालमा क्लासिक गाडी किन चढ्न सजिलो भने लेबर इज भेरी चिप मैले एउटा सानो ट्युनअप अमेरिकामा ट्युनअप गर्नु पऱ्यो भने बिकज आई स्टेड इन द युएस एउटा ट्युनअपको लागि $300 लिन्छ होइन नेपालमा एउटा राम्रो ट्युनअप कार्बोरेटर ट्युनअप गर्दाखेरि मलाई $1000 पुग्छ सो नेपाल इज a beautiful place to have a classic car. Because labor is cheap. Labor is cheap. यहाँ महँगो छ भन्छ हामी मलाई थाहा छ हैन नेपाल इज द बेस्ट प्लेस टु हेभ अ किनभने स्टिल द मेकानिक्स आर सो चिप अब मैले उता $10,000 लाग्नुपर्ने अमेरिकामा बनाउनलाई यहाँ $1,000 मा पाउँछ हैन अब राम्रो पेन्ट जब यो पेन्ट जब नेपालमा गरेको छ भने 1 लाखमा राम्रो पेन्ट गर्छ ₹1,00,000 लेट्स से दिस इज ओरिजिनल पेन्ट हैन दिस इज पेन्ट हैन इफ यु गिभ ₹1,00,000 हैन द बेस्ट पेन्ट सेम पेन्ट जब इन द US will cost around $7,000 हैन सो इट्स भ्याल्यू फर मनी हैन लुक एट दिस पेन्ट वर्क हेर्नुहोस् न कस्तो राम्रो छ अमेरिकामा त पेन्ट वर्क यस्तो गर्नै सक्दैन because it's so expensive हैन so expensive हैन अनि beauty of this car is म भन्छु this car was owned by this is a 1977 Mercedes 200D हैन यो चाहिँ it was a famous taxi model हो है 200D भनेको OM615 engine so यो जर्मनीमा when it first came out as a taxi माइलेज धेरै दिने अनि कम्फर्टेबल गाडी ओके अब यहाँ के छ यो गाडी चाहिँ पहिला होटल वुडल्यान्डको साउजीको गाडी पहिला
हजुर
सो क्यान यु इमेजिन इन 1980 मा मैले फर्स्ट टाइम यो गाडी देखेको काठमाडौँमा 1980 मा यो गाडी त इट वाज लाइक हामी त सानो सानो थियौँ है एन्ड इट्स जस्ट द वे इट इज 40 years later it's just the way it is अनि another good thing about this car is I'll kiss this car. This car was about to be scrapped, and then the new owner spent so much money and look. So this is a survivor. यसलाई भन्छ म survivor. यसलाई कवाडमा काट्न लागेको गाडी, है? काट्न लागेको गाडी. Now it's, I mean, this is the best car in the world. I would now त्यति बेला मैले किन्नु पर्ने I regret it, but now I don't regret it because it is in good hands. So यो कुराहरू मैले सेयर गरेँ तपाईलाई सो ल थ्याङ्क यू